Hi, good afternoon. How are you today?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm fine. How are you also?
Okay, so can you please tell me about your last job?
My last job before is I'm working in the Liwa Trading Company.
Okay, so how long you only work there?
I'm just only 5 days working there.
Okay, so is your visa already canceled?
Yes, my visa is already cancelled. June 19, they cancelled already my visa.
Okay, so basically, for you worked there for 5 days, and what were your
Yes.
duties and responsibilities out there?
My duties this is assisting the customer and then asking for the needs of wants of the customer in the shop and then asking them for what they wants and the needs of the customer also.
Okay, and since you're looking for a new job because of that reason, how much would be the minimum salary you would ask this time?
I think 1.5.
Okay, so what is your favorite task? Is it cooking, cleaning, or babysitting? What you like to do most?
Uh, Maybe I think it's cleaning.
Okay, and but what type of food can you cook?
Filipino food.
All right, and now, what detergents do you use in cleaning a toilet?
Using Dettol, disinfectant, only like that we're using like that Clorox.
Okay, and now, what is your first action when a baby cries out loud? When you see a baby crying, what will you do?
So I have to what they call this one to take care of that baby. I will bring him up and then I will talk to well, so that he keep me
Mm-hmm.
she'll keep me silent. After that, I will what we call will find a way that she or he will stop crying.
Okay, and what are your hobbies?
My hobbies, any kind of hobbies, because I'm a sporty people before. I'm playing volleyball. Sometimes I'm reading and then watching a teleserie and movies sometimes.
So, how long do you want to work here in UAE?
But, it's up my job how many years my contract so that I have to finish that.
Okay, and do you think you will be a good helper to your employer and why?
Yes, I have to because then I have to be good to them because I know I'm working there, so I have to follow their what the rules and regulation in the house.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.